Hello, this is Moots. We're here at Trask Performance in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to install our Mystfree Breather Kit on this Twin Cam 103. It's a pretty simple process that can be done with the motor in the bike. I'm going to break all the fasteners loose and remove the rocker arm assembly and plate. We're going to clean it with some solvent. Blow off the excess solvent. Drill the 2 drain holes on the bottom side of the rocker arm plate. Prior to installing, I was pre-lubing the rocker arm assemblies, making sure oil comes out, squirts onto the valve stem. At this point, I'm going to rotate the motor so both push rods are in the fully down position. Clean the threads off, any excess Loctite. Install the threads. I'm going to run them down with the gun and then torque them in place. 5/16 bolts, 24 foot-pounds, red Loctite. Assemble your Mystfree kit. I'm going to bolt that in place. Torque it down, 1/4-inch bolts, 110 inch-pounds. Wipe our gasket surface clean and reinstall the rocker box. We'll move on to the rear cylinder, and that is the same procedure. I want to make a note at this point, there is a extra bolt in the kit that is slightly shorter. On a Dyna model, doing it in the bike, you will cut one of the bolts out with a bolt cutter and use the shorter bolt for installation. There's still plenty of thread engagement, so don't be concerned. Remove, clean it, drill it, torque into place. It's all our breather assembly. 1/4-inch bolt, run it down, torque it to 110 inch-pounds. Reinstall the rocker cover, and the installation is complete. Again, this will greatly reduce the amount of oil blow-by that you get out of the breather bolts, and it's a dandy little product. Get it at traskperformance.com or through your drag specialties dealer.